Hello YouTube, and welcome to another issue of Model Restorations. Today we're going to be looking at this Ed Schartman's Airlift Rattler funny car with the bonus pearlescent body. Damn, this thing is awesome. This kit is actually from 1969. I am shocked that it's this good a condition. I mean, look at this thing. The box hardly has any creases on it. I mean, this must just been sitting on a shelf for ages. Yep, nothing on the bottom, but a lot of parts in here. So let's take the lid off here. And so on the body here, I've actually taken a lot of the parts off already. Check out these cool. Here's the final assembly, shows where all the decals go. And here's the front of it. I love these instructions because they actually show a real picture of the motor and some of the other things. They're just really cool. And they have little tips, like a painting tip. This one talks about taking your tires and sanding them so that they look more realistic. It's just really cool. Anyways, that is that. And then here is the body. Like I said, I've already taken a lot of the pieces off this already. So the only issue with this body is it is missing the A-pillar. And I think I can get around that because luckily in the kit there's some old sprue still. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to sand it down, make it kind of square, and luckily it matches that body perfectly and I'll be able to repair that. So that's the plan. So let's take a look inside, see what's in this box. So I've got the body, I've got the glass, which is in excellent condition. Whoever built this did a great job. They didn't put a lot of glue on anything, so it was very easy to take apart. Here is the rear end and the body itself. So none of this has been painted, so I'm actually going to paint this. The seat will be black. The frame on the original car is yellow, so I'm going to repaint that in another yellow. Here's a lot of the metal work that goes inside the tin work, so I'll be painting this silver color. Here is the motor. I believe it's 426 Ford. I'll have to look at that. I'm not totally sure, but I believe I do have all the pieces for it. Back bumper. Little odds and ends like the wheelie bars. I'm pretty sure I have all the pieces for this, except maybe there's one of the back wheels. There is a stick that's supposed to hold up the body, and I think that's just about the only thing I'm missing. I hope. I'll find out once I start putting it together. So here's the blower goes on top of it. It's a pretty cool kit, so I'm not going to take all these pieces out. But so here's the rest of the pieces. So like I said, I think I've got pretty much most of it. No idea what this is. Almost looks like a pair of firecrackers or something. If you know what this is, leave it in the comments for me, please, because I have no clue. It was just in the box. I don't know if it's part of the kit. I can't see it. I haven't been able to find it in the instructions, but it is kind of the same color. You know, I don't know if somebody was building something or what that's supposed to be. So anyway, so that is that. Let's see. It looks like this is one of the grills, and I believe both of those are in there also. So anyway, so if you want to my next video, I'm going to be putting this all together. and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to this one. So even though I am going to fix that A-pillar, I'm not going to touch this body. I like how they did it, even though the decals are a little yellowed. It kind of gives it that nostalgic look. So, and that's kind of what I'm going for. Now I do have one problem where I'm missing the escape hatch. I am missing that. I did not find that in the box. So I'm hoping that what I might have to do with that is just make something, and I'll probably try to paint it yellow and just kind of semi-match it. That's about the best I can do right now. Or I may just leave it off. I'm not quite sure. I'd rather have it on there because they didn't drive like that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with, not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. So anyway, that is that. Thanks for watching, guys. And like I said, stay tuned and please subscribe and give me a like if you would. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.